Good afternoon, guys. God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. What's today? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. So we are back at the silver 4Runner or gray 4Runner that I did. I think it's been about 3 weeks since I applied a 9-year coating on this vehicle. When a customer usually gets a coating with me, I tend to give them the first free wash. Why do I do that? For the reason that I want to make sure that everything cured correctly, everything looks just right, and I want to make sure that that I applied the coating correctly. If at that time I need to make any adjustments to the coating, I need to reapply or just redo an area or anything like that, at that time, obviously today I would make sure and handle any situations like that. I take a lot of pride in what I do. Of course, we are human. We're not perfect. At times, I've left some high spots. And when I come and do these free washes, I fix the issue. So I'm excited. It's been raining here a good couple of weeks. Thankfully, I was gonna come last week, but it rained on the day of. So we ended up rescheduling for the following week. So I think we're going on 3 weeks that this vehicle has not been washed. So it's been raining on it. He's driven it a bunch of miles and the vehicle looks great. But obviously the ultimate test is right now when I rinse it. And I think even though today I've done so many coatings, but I honestly believe every time I come and do the first maintenance wash, I don't know why I'm always nervous. It's one of those where I know I did it correctly. I did everything correctly, but I remember the first time I did a coating on a vehicle. That was my very first coating. Obviously, I was still in the learning process. Obviously, I did that vehicle cheap, and it was more of a learning experience. I was so excited, guys, when I came, and I was like, I brought the customer out, right? I was like, all right, we're excited to see how this thing looks. And guys, when I came to put the coating, when I came to wash it, guys, it was flat. It was flat. Thankfully, the customer was cool about it. He understood the situation, and I told him from the get-go, hey, I'm learning coatings. I'm not the best at this. I'm learning as I go. And the customer was fine with it. I think at that time I charged him $300. So it wasn't a lot, but still, at the end of the day, you want to give the customer what he paid for. Obviously, at this point, it was a coating from Amazon. So I didn't even know if it was that good, but I learned. Thankfully, I reached out to the customer about a year after I did that the vehicle, and I was like, hey, I have enough experience now, because I returned the money to him because I didn't even feel happy. So I returned the money back to him, and I ended up I put a 3-year coating, which was from DPC. So that one has a 3-year coating, and the paint, now it's supposed to do what it's supposed to. So it's actually pretty cool that the customer gave me another opportunity. So, but anyways, enough talking. Let me get everything set up, and I'm gonna bring you guys in close to the paint. That way we can see it together, and let's see how this coating reacts. So give me a couple minutes and we'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, the moment of truth. Let's hit this paint and let's see how it reacts. So here we go, guys. Let's see. Again, this is this is a 2021 TRD Pro. This is the 2021 4Runner TRD Pro. I did a 1-step polish on this one, and we did a 9-year coating on this. So let's see how the water behaves. Oh yeah! I don't know if the camera catches that. See if I can get a little bit closer. Oh, that is beautiful. Yes, sir. Thank you, Jesus. There you go, guys. Beautiful. Everything we did a TS2 on the window. We did a 2-year window coating on there. So let me see if I can raise it up just a little bit. Nice. There you go. Beautiful. Everything looks like it's working properly. The paint, it is doing beautiful. Look at that, guys. All right. Amazing. Alrighty, so as you guys saw, the paint is doing amazing. Everything cured correctly. Obviously, once I finish this whole car and I dry it off, I'll be able to make sure I'll make sure we didn't have no high spots or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this vehicle off, and I'm happy. Once I finish it, I'll do final thoughts on it, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, guys, so I already went ahead and washed the vehicle. Everything looks beautiful. So I'm now drying it, actually, and I think one of the benefits, one of the best parts I love about doing a vehicle that is coated is for the simple fact that you can literally grab a blower and you can literally just blow dry the car, and it just eliminates you from putting too many hands on the vehicle. So that's what I'm using after now. It's pretty much we're using the I'm using the customer's blower, so I hope you don't mind. But usually the way I do it, since I'm out in the sun and I don't have a DI tank, since I don't have a DI tank, the process that I tend to do this is, one, I will rinse off one side, I'll blow it, and then I'll get to the other side, and then I'll do the same thing. So I rinse it off, and then now I'm drying it. That way it's still wet, so when I come to blow dry it, it just comes off so easy. So if you have some headphones, go ahead and bring it down a little bit, and I guess let me bring the camera up close, and maybe I can get you guys a better shot of how easy this this comes right off. And let me see if I can switch the camera, guys. All right, let's see if we can catch some. Let me see if I can get a good shot of this. So I apologize if it doesn't really show the benefit of it, but check it out. Here we go. Ready? Look. Literally just glides off. Giving you a dry paint, of course. Oh, you're not really touching it, guys. You're not putting no hands on it. It's that simple, guys. So blow off the tires. Car had a wrap. All right, so the vehicle is it is pretty much dry. God, that is so beautiful, so beautiful. All right. Oh God, look at that gloss. All right, so hopefully you guys were able to see a little bit of the benefit of having a coated vehicle. It's just so much simpler. Just having a nice blower that can get that done is just perfect. Now I'm just gonna come back and just wipe the clean the windows off. I'm gonna put a topper on this one straight. I'm gonna be using TR8, which is a TiO2 sealant from Dallas Paint Correction, just to top it off, and it should be good. The customer already has a bottle of TR8 that I gave him a while back, but I'm gonna be using mine. So let me finish this car off and we'll be back. Alrighty, guys, so the finished product looks amazing. Overall, the vehicle cured nicely. The gloss, it's insane. Obviously, the day that I did this vehicle, it was cloudy, it was rainy. I wasn't happy, to be honest, when I finished it, because I tend to love pulling the vehicles out to make sure that I didn't miss anything. So overall, the vehicle looks great. Let me see if I can get you guys a walk around, get you guys a more of a up close. But look at that gloss, guys. Of course, guys, you know, it's a brand new vehicle. It's a 2021. Again, we got a 9-year coating on this beautiful TRD Pro. It just looks amazing, guys. It really does change the look of the vehicle. Obviously, the beauty of it is the protection that the customer is going to be receiving for the next couple of years. I hope he doesn't trade it, because the last one was exactly the same. I think it was a TRD off-road. I coated it. We did a 6-year coating on there, and I think he traded it like 4 months after I did the coating. So I was kind of bummed out, because, you know, I think for me at the end of the day it's a lot of money you're spending, whoever you go to, you know, and I always want to make sure that the customers know the benefits of it, but as well they know that it's a lot of money to spend, and I want to make sure I give them the right coating for the year coverage. But I'm super blessed and thankful that I got the opportunity to coat his brand new 2021 TRD Pro. So thankfully, I believe his wife is also getting a 4Runner, and I'm blessed to say that I'm going to be coating that one as well, and I'm going to go ahead and give them the same package again. So overall, guys, I hope you guys are having a blessed day, a happy Wednesday. But yeah, let's get home and enjoy the rest of the day. So you guys have a blessed day, be safe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.